The Serious Game is a responsive web-based application. To open it, you simply need a computer or other device with a web browser with enabled sound. Recommended browsers are Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Internet Explorer. It requires logging in with a teacher's account, which will be provided by the local InnoSchool contact point. When a teacher is appointed, he or she will receive an email. Go to your email and open the email you received. Click on the Set a Password button to create a password for your teacher's account. You will first need to provide the email address, the same as the one on which you received the email. Press Submit, and then you will need to set your password and remember it for your next logins in the admin of Serious Game. Retype your password and press Submit. Further access to the teacher's part of the Serious Game is through the following address: admin.innoschool-learningsystem.eu. You will first need to enter your email and then type in the password that you have set. Once you have entered your email and your password, you will be able to access the platform.